Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is probably part 5 of my devlog. Um, so basically what I've been doing now is I've introduced fog. Basically it's to make the game look a little bit nicer and more immersive because what would happen with chunks is they would just basically pop into existence, which looked really weird. So what I've done with fog is it will sort of hide that popping behind, the fog, behind the mist, and I think it looks a lot better. Personally, so that's basically what a lot of games do, especially like Minecraft and stuff, is it kind of looks ugly when you don't use fog. But what I've also done is, for one thing, as you can see, I've updated the texture for the grass. It's not the final version, but it looks a lot better than what I previously had. And then I've optimized my engine even more, so it should perform better on integrated graphics than it used to. And I've made the player a little bit faster. And oh, one thing I'm really excited to talk about is I've created a custom debugging log. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Basically what it does is it prints out to this markdown file here. And one thing I've always noticed with a lot of engines is, with a lot of games, is the logs are quite hard to read. So what I've done is I've made a custom format and it's a lot easier to read this way. And the other thing I've done is I've finally made settings configurable. So as you can see right here, we have FOV, FPS limit, which is at 144, sound volume, VSync, that kind of stuff. So I can show you how that works. So I close the engine, and then I just increase this to like, say 500, and then disable fog, false. And then I just save that, and then I go back into my folder here, and I relaunch my engine. Just give it a second. There we go. So FPS is much higher, and yeah. So one thing I do notice is lighting is still a bit delayed for some chunks, but that is something I am seriously working on. It's because um it's because lighting is it takes up a lot of resources on a computer, but I've gotten it pretty lightweight, so I just need to work on polishing it a little bit more. Because I'm pretty happy with what I have, so um I'd appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed, and then commented down below about what you want to see. One of my next plans is to finally add more blocks and add in biomes. So I think that's going to be really cool. And then after that, I'm going to work on water and lakes and that system, and then maybe caves. So yeah, go ahead, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.